Hey y'all, and welcome back to another video. So let me show you how I made my cornbread dressing. So you want to start off with some cooked cornbread. You can use Jiffy cornbread, Martha White cornmeal, yellow cornmeal, whatever you have available. This is not day old cornbread. This is cook it right now. We need to eat right now cornbread. Okay, so I didn't have time for it to sit, and as you can see, it is really hot. So I'm using a fork to kind of break it up, but realized it was just too hot, so I had to come back to it so I can crumble it up. So after crumbling the cornbread, I'm just showing you I am adding my stovetop turkey stuffing. It's absolutely good in dressing. Please don't sleep on it. Try it first before you judge it, okay? Now, you probably would not have this. This is optional. I baked some chicken and I added some of my chicken juice to my cornbread dressing, so don't even pay attention to that. I'm showing you the Knorrs. So right there, I already made the chicken broth and I added 1 teaspoon of the Knorrs to the chicken broth just to give it added flavor. Just 1 teaspoon, that will be good enough. And you're just going to make sure you eyeball this by going back and forth with the broth and the cornbread dressing. Now, I like moist cornbread. I'm not sure how some of you all eat your cornbread, but I like mine moist. Now, I did not have cream of chicken, so I had cream of mushroom available in my pantry, so that's what I used. And to be honest with you guys, it didn't taste no different. The cream of mushroom was as good as the cream of chicken, to be honest with you. So you're going to continue to give everything a stir. And also, let me apologize. I did not realize when I placed the camera in the corner, it was getting the artificial plant. And I was like, you know what? I'm not going to delete the video. We're going to just keep going. So as you can see, I am continuing to stir. And that's about the consistency I like. So right now I'm going to get some salt and pepper and add to my dressing. And also I did add an egg to the dressing as well. Now adding an egg, that's totally optional. You don't have to do it if you don't want to. And I'm going to give that a stir. After I give it a stir, I am going to get my baking casserole dish and I'm going to place this in my oven and I'm going to let it cook for about 45 minutes. Like I said, you have to make sure you watch it because if you leave it in the oven too long, you will have dry cornbread. Okay, so I'm placing that in that casserole dish. As you can see, I'm showing you guys, and this is a everyday quick and easy dressing meal. And look, y'all, it's done. And it came out beautiful. So I am getting my spoon and I'm going to spoon out a little piece so I can show you guys exactly how moist my dressing is, okay? Y'all look at that. Moist and it's hot. Ain't no dry there. It's a moist dressing, okay? The kind you want to eat. And it's not even a holiday, but you can make this on the holiday. All right, you guys. And I'm just grabbing a bowl and I'm just going to put my little scoop in the bowl so I can continue to eat it. But thank you guys for watching my video. Please like, comment, and subscribe. And until next time, you guys have a blessed one.